I would like to just quickly share that what is the journey like, this 8 week journey, and how what kind of challenges that you face, because let's make it very real. ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसे ही आपने कर लिया, but I know you've gone through that journey of where you face challenges, you could not get time, then last minute to work, and a lot of things happens.
I was constantly facing some or the other things. So like that time the hackathon was going on and I joined meanwhile only, but then again in Fab my grandpa passed away, and then back to back 6 months, three of our close like elders passed away. Like entire 4 months vanished like crazy. And then this time I was very shocked that no matter what, I am going to finish it this time. I will take action. So before this 8 week challenge started, I already went through all the recordings once.
Thank you, Sagar sir. Thank you so much. So I'm Sabia Khan and my niche is parenting, and that I belong to Tribe 1. Amit is our leader. So every day for me it was very, very joyful ride. I really, because from every passing day I got more and more clarity. और ज़्यादा जितने ज़्यादा questions I was doing, तो और ज़्यादा clarity I was going through. Challenge में जो life challenges आया था, उसमें भी for that I want to focus on delivery on a good content. So I researched so that my content is also unique, and every day passes I can see that my content is also improving. So I was building my confidence muscle every day.
Thank you, Sagar. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, I am part of Tribe 3. I think Rohit is the leader for that. Nice. I've got a lot of support from my tribe members. Rohit, I disturbed a lot. So when I joined and started the journey over here, one thing I decided that no, actually, many people tell many things, some kind of confusion comes in mind. So what I decided that whatever is being taught, I just implement whatever it may be. So that's what I tried to do. I didn't do anything much different. I just tried to implement जो session में Wednesday को हुआ था, and the morning action call, and then I just implemented that, and that's how I thought I saw 8-9 sessions got over. And
just to cut you, like I can see the Rohit vibe in week also. Okay, मुझे जो बोला गया है मुझे वही करना है.
Hello everyone. I'm super excited today because of all the actions I've been taking so far. I have a new L3 entry into my community.
L3?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I have 6 people total in my group and 5 are all in L3 till now. I feel very glad. And I had my session now, and that's the reason I was late to the session. So this 8-week challenge has broke many of the barriers which I was like stopping myself from doing many things.
Hello Sagar, thank you.
Hi.
For
congratulations Ambika.
Thank you. And my name is Ambika Shyamsundar. I am in a parenting niche and a kids productivity coach. So I work with both, and I am from Tribe 4. And previous challenge also I was same in Tribe 4 only. So this 8-week challenge, while I was beginning the 8-week challenge, I thought, okay, let me learn the full what is happening in the 8-week challenge. But what happened was the biggest breakthrough what I got is like I was just figuring it out towards the beginning. On the Guru Purnima, I have to launch a premium. Somehow I have to do it. So then I thought this high ticket ka offer, it was like keep on running in my mind for a longer time. And I asked you and Rahat told me, thank you so much Rahat for that. And she told that, yeah, why can't, if it is like 2 or 3 outcomes and if it is going for a premium, definitely you can. And that was the one go. It was like pushing me to do that.
So I'm from Tribe 3, and my niche is in health and wellness, and sub-niche focused is sleep and yoga. So screen time, sleep and yoga, since they are connected with each other. So so this 8-week challenge, first of all, I've never done something as long for 8 weeks. Generally 2-3 weeks I do something and then it's like stops, and but I think the structure of this course, the way the milestones are set, and like in between there was like a period of you can catch up, so that I think the way it was entirely structured helped me a lot. Because in between I had a period of accident, and then there was a little break over there for me. But overall it feels like a very nice accomplishment, completing this, like just finishing all the tasks.
First of all, I would like to share that this challenge gave me so much clarity. First of all, about my clients, and the biggest problem that I was facing before joining this challenge was talking to meaningful clients. Because earlier, I was receiving requests from people, but it helped me connect better with my clients.
Congratulations
thank
for
you so
being
much.
an action takers.
Thank you so much.
And-
It was a difficult journey. Like, I'm not going to lie about that at all. Initially, शायद I thought that चलो हो जाएगा, हल्के में ले लूँ. Then I decided that चलो coaching चालू ही कर लेते हैं, and started working on that, preparing for. So I did
Cohort.
every week I was doing a webinar. This week I've not done a webinar because I'm like overwhelmed with stuff that is there. Being in this community, I realized that bhai, matlab ye sab idhar nahi ho sakta. It has to be put down somewhere, So the last few weeks have been this mad rush of curating the content, ensuring that there are some interesting activities, looking at different kinds of content for giving examples and things like that. So I've been like working literally non-stop trying to get things done.